Practice English listening. Painting the fence. It's a sunny Saturday morning, and Jack is ready to help his dad with a big project, painting the fence in their backyard. Jack loves doing projects with his dad, especially when it means getting a little messy and having a lot of fun. "Good morning, Jack. Are you ready to paint the fence?" his dad asks, smiling. "Yes, Dad. I'm ready," Jack replies eagerly. He puts on an old t-shirt and a pair of shorts that he doesn't mind getting paint on. They head to the backyard, where Jack's dad has already set up everything they need. There are paint cans, brushes, and a big bucket of soapy water. "First, we need to clean the fence to make sure the paint sticks well," his dad explains. Jack grabs a sponge and dips it into the soapy water. He starts scrubbing the fence, making sure to clean every spot. His dad works beside him, and together they wash the entire fence. "Good job, Jack. The fence is nice and clean now," his dad says. Jack feels proud. "What do we do next?" he asks. "Now it's time to paint," his dad says. He opens a can of white paint and pours some into a small tray. He hands Jack a paintbrush. "Remember, try to paint in long, even strokes," his dad instructs. Jack dips his brush into the paint and carefully starts painting the fence. At first, he goes slowly, making sure not to miss any spots. He paints up and down, just like his dad showed him. "This is fun," Jack says, smiling. His dad nods. "You're doing great, Jack. Keep it up." They continue painting together, working side by side. Jack's brush leaves smooth white lines on the wood, and he loves watching the old, faded fence turn bright and new again. He even gets a little paint on his hands and his nose, but he doesn't mind. "I'm a messy painter," he jokes. After a while, Jack notices that his arm is getting tired. "Dad, my arm is a little sore," he says. "That's okay, Jack," his dad replies. "Why don't we take a short break and have some lemonade?" Jack nods eagerly. "That sounds great." They sit down on the grass and enjoy a glass of cold lemonade. The lemonade is sweet and refreshing, and Jack feels his energy returning. "I'm ready to paint some more," he says, finishing his drink. "Great. Let's get back to it," his dad says, standing up. They continue painting, and soon they reach the last section of the fence. "Almost done, Jack. Just a little more to go," his dad says encouragingly. Jack focuses on his brushstrokes, making sure every part of the fence is covered. Finally, he paints the last section and steps back to admire their work. "We did it, Dad. The fence looks amazing," Jack exclaims. "It sure does, Jack. You did an excellent job," his dad says, giving him a high five. Jack looks at the freshly painted fence, feeling proud of what they accomplished together. "Can we do another project next weekend?" he asks. His dad laughs. "Of course, Jack. I love working with you." As they clean up the brushes and put away the paint, Jack feels happy and satisfied. He knows that helping his dad paint the fence was hard work, but it was also a lot of fun. And now, every time he looks at the bright white fence, he'll remember the great day they had together. "Thanks for letting me help, Dad," Jack says as they head inside. "You're welcome, Jack. It was great spending the day with you," his dad replies, smiling. Jack knows that there will be many more projects and adventures to come. But for now, he's just happy to have spent the day painting the fence with his dad.